Write about yourself and your ordinary life. Nu ska du skriva om dig själv och ditt vanliga liv, ditt vardagsliv. Du ska inte skriva om en vanlig dag i ditt liv, utan lite grann om hur hela ditt liv ser ut. Lite grann om hur ditt liv har sett ut. Write about yourself and your ordinary life. Look at the text, page 82 to 83, to see an example of what to write about and how. Write in detail and give examples. Try to vary your vocabulary and grammar. Use some of the phrases on page 85. Useful phrases. You can write about. Start by introducing yourself. Where do you live and what is it like there? What is special about your village, town, or city? What is your background? Vad har du för historia? Var kommer du ifrån och vad har du gjort i livet? And write about your family. How do you live? Who do you live with now? Do you have any pets? What is your everyday life like? Write what you do during weekdays and weekends. Vardagar och helger. What do you like to do and not? Do you have any hobbies? Do you have a job or do you study? Length. Hur lång ska den här berättelsen vara? Write 2 pages by hand, 3/4 of a page on a computer. Så skriv ungefär 2 sidor om du skriver för hand på papper och ungefär 3/4 sida på dator med normal text. Så lite mer än en halv sida på datorn, men inte en hel kanske. Ungefär. Tänk på verb. When you write about your everyday life and what you usually do, use the present simple. Använd bara ett verb. Till exempel, I go to school every day. When you write about what you are doing now, use the present continuous. I am going to school. When you write about what you did as a child, last weekend or yesterday, use the past simple preteritum. I went to school. Structure words. Ord för att få lite struktur på din text. Göra grammatiken och ordförrådet mer varierad. But, and, or, who, which, when, that, because, as, since, because of, if, then. If you come tomorrow, then we can have dinner. Another, for example, etc. Here, there. Words for place. Det här är platsord. Words for time. Before, during, finally, at the same time. Earlier, always, never, sometimes. Seldom, rarely, all the time. Now, then, after, afterwards, last week, weekend, last Tuesday, last year, last month. At the weekend. On Tuesdays, That's when you do something in every Tuesday. Yesterday, last night, at night, in the evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the autumn. Usually, once a year, once a day, once a week. Twice a year, twice a day, twice a week. Ago, 5 years ago. Every day, every night, every Saturday. First. Good luck.